What's going on, guys? So it is April 28th. I'm gonna fish the ocean surf for about an hour before work. It's blowing about 25 out of the northwest. Surf's pretty flat though. I heard bluefish hit earlier this week, so they're on the menu now too. But I'm mainly going for bass here. There we go. Little bass hit it at the last second. Alright, little schoolie here. Hit it right at the last second. Took the tsunami swim shad here. There you go, bud. Oh, wrong way. There you go. Alright, well, I gotta run now. I guess this is gonna be a pretty short video. Yeah, no signs of bluefish for me, just that one bass at first light. But it's a good sign to see the ocean surf now starting to come to life too, so should be a good spring. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications on future content. See you all in the next video.